As third-party cookies deprecate, physical venues possess a unique advantage: the ability to capture consented first-party data directly from visitors at the point of connection. First, anchor all user profiles to authenticated identities, not device MAC addresses, because modern operating systems now randomize MAC addresses. Second, ensure your captive portal loads in under 3 seconds to prevent abandonment and maintain conversion rates. Third, separate marketing consent from terms of service acceptance using unticked checkboxes for GDPR and CCPA compliance. Fourth, integrate real-time webhooks between your Wi-Fi analytics platform and CRM to enable timely campaign triggers. Fifth, adopt progressive profiling, requesting only 2 or 3 fields initially and enriching profiles across subsequent visits. Read the full guide at purple.ai